Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down and isolate the circuit so you don't measure live voltage. Once done, set your tester to continuity or the lowest ohms range. Continuity beep is fastest. Make sure the probes are clean and touch them together to confirm the beeper sounds. That verifies the tool. Then place the black probe on a known ground or reference point and prepare the red probe for the actual trace you will test, keeping probe tip steady. Once you have a confirmed ground reference, methodically probe along the trace and at component pads so you map continuity progressively. You want a continuous low resistance beep between points. When the beeper stops or resistance increases dramatically, you've located a break or high resistance joint. Make sure to isolate components that can give false paths, lift a component leg, desolder a pad, or disconnect connectors to avoid parallel paths. Finish by confirming continuity across the repaired section. Apply your chosen fix, solder a bridge, add a jumper wire, or replace a pad, then retest with the same probe positions to validate success. Once continuity reads correctly, reconnect power and test the device's function while watching for heat or unexpected behavior. If you still get no beep yet the trace looks intact, carefully inspect for hairline cracks, lifted copper, or cold solder joints. These subtle faults often break continuity, despite appearing normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.